This course will give the skill to build, create, demonstrate, and differentiate all the components available under Microsoft Endpoint Manager and Intune. My name is Karthik. I have almost 15 years of experience with core knowledge on System Center products, Microsoft 365 services, mobile device management, Windows 10, etc. And also I am a certified professional in System Center products, Microsoft 365 services. At the end of this course, you will understand how to fully implement and administrate Microsoft Endpoint Manager with Intune in your IT infrastructure. Or you can set up your own demo lab for testing or using free trial version of Intune and Microsoft 365 services. First, we will start with basic knowledge on MVM, Intune, and recommendation for the design of Intune and Microsoft Endpoint Manager. The first tab we will be looking at is devices, under which you will understand how to apply a device compliance policy. You will understand how to create a configuration policy, conditional access policy, and software update settings. The next tab we have is apps, under which you will apply an app protection policy. You will deploy an app from add apps option, and you will see app configuration policy, and also you will create the app select to wipe, and you will create a wipe deletion for a mobile device. The next tab we have is endpoint security, in which you will create a security baseline and you will remediate this firewall and antivirus from the client PC. And also you will do a demo on BitLocker encryption. Including BitLocker encryption, you will do a Defender antivirus demo and Defender firewall settings. The next tab we have is reports, users, and groups. Under reports, you will generate a report and you will see the device compliance trending report that is useful for the management. And also you will integrate this report with data warehouse management, and you will integrate with Power BI solution. Under user, you will see SSPR, which is self-service password reset, and you will see all the customization applicable to user settings. And we have groups as well, under which you will see group management option, and also you will have an access review, and we will have a walkthrough on access review option available and what will be the reviewer can see from the side. The next option we have is tenant administration, under which you will integrate Microsoft Endpoint Manager with Store for Business, Manage Google Play, TeamViewer, and you will have a walkthrough on all the connected and tokens option. And we will talk more on the managing part of on-premises mailbox, user role creation, and portal customization. In this tutorial, no information is left out and no details are skipped over in this course. I have included all the sections with short theory and practical demo. Do you feel it's complicated? Don't worry, I am always there in the discussion board to answer your questions. Again, my name is Karthik and I am looking forward you to enroll now, and let's travel together in this tutorial journey.